Hi, this is Jebb Adams, and I'm in the studio this evening with my newest acquisition here in this case. This is a very nice portable sewing machine, quite an old dated case, but in really good condition. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's in here. I mean, we know it's going to be a sewing machine. Oh my, isn't this nice? Look at that. There's a box of attachments, and it says for class 403 machines. Excellent. Wonderful. And that's what this is. It says right there. We'll take a look a little closer. It says 403A. So it's a 403A. It does not have it's very similar to a 401A, except it doesn't have the multi-stitch dial. It does have a place where you can put the cams or the fashion discs. So yeah, I was really pleased to find this, and it was actually not too far from where I live. And it came also with a original foot pedal. We'll set that over there. And then it had the electrical cord as well. But in general, it appears that it's in kind of okay condition. So let me pull this out. And I'll get this case out of the way, and then we'll take a closer look at the new member of the household. Indeed. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the top and take a look. There. Let me see if I can get this camera in a better position for viewing. I want to raise it a bit and then aim it down. Maybe what I'll also do is get a rolled up shop towel here. And then we'll go in for a little look. So it's pretty clean. It's not in bad shape at all. Oopsie daisy, that's a little too close, isn't it? So yeah, that's I mean, there is some dust there, and I can see there is some cleaning, but in general, it's not bad. We can see a lot of gunk, grunge on the gear there from the motor. That upright there is from the motor, and then this gear here is what turns the horizontal arm shaft. So that's pretty good. So we'll leave that as it is for a minute. And what we'll do now is we'll go down below and see what we can see there. Now I do want you to be able to see. I'll wait till it's lying down. And we'll move it up here a bit. But yes, it is a 403A, as you can see there, just above the reverse lever. Isn't that nice? Anyway, I've got to lower this. Okay, Let me undo this. Wow, isn't that a nice cover? Comes right off like that. It's a little grimy, a little dirty, but nothing too bad. Excuse me moving the camera around and out of position for a minute, folks. Okay, we got those legs down there. There's underneath my table. You're getting quite the show today, aren't you? Anyway. So, here we are with the underneath show. And we can see it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. There's slight grunge stains. And can see a little bit of them there and there. But there's no real dust to speak of, and even the bed cushions, the bed feet here, they're not too bad either. And I'm trying to see what this motor is. It is a PA9-8, and I think the one we were looking at in the 500J Gina was a PA10-8. So that's my new acquisition, and I don't plan on doing any work on this machine yet. What I am going to be doing is finishing up the Singer 500 Gina. We still have to get her put back together, But I did want to show you this. I was very pleased with it. It does have the, like the 401A, it does have the two-tone color scheme. So, and it was very competitively priced. It was $75 Canadian. And oh, we should take a look while we're here. We need to get, what was I thinking? We need to get in here and see what we have. So what we have is we have the Singer Slant-O-Matic 403 Special, a Singer Manufacturing Company. This belonged to, there's a name there. Isn't that amazing? It's old. Look at the phone number, GE33822. Wow. There it is, and it's in English because I bought this in Montreal. Bought it in Point Claire just before Christmas. So yeah, there's the book. And then what do we have here? Handy stitch, English and French. Okay, so that's kind of like a quick start guide or something like that. And then in here we have some feet. I think that is a ruffler. Yes, it's a, I'll go on, yeah, it's a ruffler of some kind. I can see that that's where it ruffles right there. And I'm sure a number of you ladies, if you're viewers, you're sewers, men too. There's a piping foot. I'm not sure if that's what it's called or not, but that's what it does. And a couple more feet. And then we have the fifth of these black fashion discs. I like these old Singer little screwdrivers. And it says, I don't think it says Singer, I think it says SIMANCO. Yeah. Where's that number? So it's part number 120378. Cool. But anyway, and there's the fashion discs. And what we can see here, this shows you the kind of stitch that it will be. So it's very visual, intuitive in a visual sense. So we have all those feet. We also have an extra throat plate. Looks like a straight stitch throat plate. Or maybe yeah, that's not for zigzag. And this machine will zigzag because it has the stitch width device indicator. Anyway, so that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this short video about this new acquisition. We didn't really take it apart too much or get into any of the, but then again, we didn't find anything either. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please return. This will be a Wednesday, and then there'll be another video on Sunday. Have a great week.